Aishman is super happy and Mama is super scared after seeing this water crossing. Hey Aishman, slow. Don't run like this. After 1.5 hours of trek, this is what we got. Thuvanam waterfall.
Do you want to know?
Welcome back to the channel Life to Explore. This is third vlog of our Kerala trip, and today we are going for a trekking. The trek will be a couple of kilometers to explore a waterfall, so definitely it will be fun. And we are getting ready now. We'll start in just 5-10 minutes. Aishman, you are ready?
Yeah, I'm fully ready.
Aishman is fully ready. And if you have not watched the previous vlogs, then I will give you the link, iLink. You can click that and watch that. And yeah, so let's start. Nice winter day.
Yeah, there is a dog there again.
Dog. Wherever, that's why, wherever Aishman goes, he will find it. Hey, so many Labradors, Aishman.
That's a word.
See. See there. Let's go. See, Aishman is excited. He saw a few dogs. That's why. Aishman, these are golden retrievers, not Labradors. See?
They're not bad.
See, Aishman, they want to play actually. Eh? Wait, man. Wait. So it's 8 o'clock now, and it will take 30 minutes to reach there. So let's go. So this is the forest office where you can book ticket for trekking to various places. So we booked for Thuvanam waterfall. So we'll start somewhere from the roadside, the track start point. Okay, so let's start.
House.
Oh, camping also, huh?
Camping.
3 camping. Okay, trekking. What? Oh, very nice place.
This in the main road side.
Uh-huh.
Main road to this in the house.
Uh-huh.
Half an hour.
Half an hour, huh? Trek.
Truck.
So trek and you stay there, huh?
Yeah,
Night. Excellent. Maybe next time we will plan here. We started the trek. Up and down it's 6 kilometer, and from Marayur this is just a 10 to 15 minutes drive. Is nearby. So this trail will take us to Thuvanam waterfall. We saw that waterfall on the way, like far away yesterday, and the same waterfall we are going now. Aishman? So 6 kilometer, are you able to walk? 6 kilometer. 6 kilometer, Aishman. 3 kilometer, up and down. Yeah? And we have a guide with us. So he is taking us to the fall. And see the stream passing by. We are trekking through Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary. Aishman, will you be able to cross this? Huh? See, the flow is also heavy. Cold water, Aishman. spotted a Malabar squirrel there. I kept my DSLR in car because it was heavy. So, huh? Yes, yes.
Awesome.
She's eating. Ayushman is having breakfast. Huh?
It's not dark. Come back.
The natural stream passing by. There are multiple spots like this where you will get panoramic view. See? What a beautiful place. Ayushman, Mama is last, as always.
Yeah.
Okay? Mama can't come first.
It costs you money.
Mama also fall down in the water. Huh? It was simple flow, right? See, this is the one river flowing by, and that side another river flowing by. Nah, it is. This Ayushman is super happy, and Mama is super scared after seeing this water crossing. Hey, Ayushman, slow! Don't run like this. Ayushman. We just now crossed this water crossing. See how force the water is. And Ayushman easily did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Ayushman?
Yeah, I did it easily.
Ayushman easily did it, but Mama was scared.
Yeah.
Mama was not able to cross properly.
Yeah.
Huh?
The water is so cold.
But very good, right? Very good spot, Ayushman. We still need to track for 30 minutes. But this was really awesome, guys. It was an awesome experience of crossing this water stream. We still need to continue. Let's go.
First time I crossed like this waterfall.
Yeah. Ayushman crossed first time. He never crossed such force water. One more. See footprints of bison. Looks like they crossed the stream and went to that side of the forest.
It may be drinking water also.
Huh?
It may be also drinking water.
Yeah, that's correct. They come here, right, to drink water.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe they came in that side and crossed the stream. Yeah.
They would bath also.
Huh?
They would bath here.
Yeah, they will bath because they also like water, like Ayushman.
Yeah.
Ayushman like beach, water, stream,
Yeah.
and they also. No leeches here. No leeches here, Ayushman. Don't worry. Leeches were there in Chikmagalur when we went to that forest camping.
Yeah.
Not forest camping, that was a nature stay. We could hear a loud noise of this waterfall, so definitely we are nearby. Oof. See, Ayushman started running. Ayushman, yeah, heavy flow of water, Ayushman. Slow, Ayushman, it's slippery. It's slippery, and don't run. Yeah, see the noise. Aishman, be careful, okay? It's a slippery. Aishman, this is tree house, but in broken condition. Aishman, I'm not sure how Mama will cross this. Mama cross it seems. While crossing, na, she need to sit. Okay, sit and slowly crawl. This is called trekking for Mama. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Aduh.
Aishman, see, Mama need actually 2-3 person to make her cross the water stream.
Yeah.
No problem.
No problem.
But we can hold that on
Wonderful experience, guys. Really, this is for us. It's first time to cross such forced water streams, and this forest track is really awesome. You should not miss this if you are in Kerala. People visit Munnar and all those places, crowded places, but missing this kind of beauty. So it's a lifetime experience, and you should not miss this. See, we have first sight of Thuvanam waterfall. Not sure if the camera is capturing it because it is still little far. Oh wow, the view is breathtaking, Aishman. See this. Aishman intentionally don't want to cross, okay? He just want to play in water, that's why. Oh, Aishman is figuring out from where he will cross. What, Aishman? But I will not help, Aishman. You need to cross yourself. Yeah. Try. Try. Yeah, Aishman can do anything, man. Wow, simply awesome. No words to explain this. After a wonderful trek, here we reached. After 1.5 hours of trek, this is what we got. Thuvanam waterfall. Isn't it beautiful? Check out this cinematic clip. Till then, we will just relax for some time. Then we will go back. Okay? This is why we take effort to visit such places. There is little effort for sure, and it was tiring a bit, but the view was simple and amazing. A breathtaking view, and all the effort worth it. Okay.
If we do hard things, something will become good. Like this one.
Yeah, if you do hard things, it will become something good like this, right?
Yeah. This
Yeah.
waterfall was amazing.
Yeah, waterfall was amazing. Ayushman liked a lot. He wanted to camp here actually. Yeah. So time to go back now. So it will take another 1 hour to return because I will not shoot while returning back. And it's 11:15 now. So it will take an hour. So we'll meet you there directly, and we'll see what we can plan next. We'll visit nearby places. So stay tuned.